Hi students, I'm Delia Wallace and I will be your instructor for this online Strategies for Success course. I'm excited to be with you this Flex 2 of Fall 2021 semester. And I wanted to do this video to give you an idea how to best navigate this course and to hopefully answer any questions that you may have. So on your screen here, you see from the home page, the first thing that you will see is the textbook. So the textbook is provided to you and you have it all right here divided by chapters. So you'll notice that the assignments correspond with the chapters, so that all of that will be up here above where you start the class. The first thing that you will want to go to is the Start Here module. Now I wanted to show you this view first so that you can see that there are multiple items in each module, but they won't open up until you have opened the previous item in the module. So you'll click on the first item. The information will come up. You can read all about this course and information that you have. And then what I want you to do is click the next button. When you click the next button, it will take you to the next item in the module. So the next item in this module happens to be the overview schedule of all the assignments and due dates for this course. So you can see the dates here and the assignments here. When you click next, it will take you to the next item and so forth. Okay, so that's how you want to navigate, is to make sure that you're going through each one and then you're clicking that next button. When you get into the modules, and so now you can see that I have the ones that I went through are now showing a green check. Not all of them will. Like for instance, the schedule didn't, but remember before you couldn't see them because I hadn't opened the previous item. So make sure that that is how you're going through. Once we click on this one, which is the last one in that module, and you click next, it will take you to the next item. And so oftentimes it's confusing for students right at the beginning to understand how to navigate the course. So here's your textbook, and it's all there. It's a PDF, so it may take a little bit for it to load in your on your browser. Okay, so I'm going to leave the student view, which is the view that you'll have. So I can give you an overview of the entire course. So when I click on modules here, this was the textbook we were just looking at. And then you can see this was the Start Here module that has some information. When you get to that last one, that tricks to using Canvas, you'll then be able, this is where we were with the textbook right here, then you'll be able to go on to the next module. And this is where you'll start your assignment. So again, it's not going to show for you until you've clicked in everything above it. But once you get here, you can see that anytime you see something with a due date and points, those are assignments that you're doing. So for this first week, in addition to understanding how to navigate the course and going through all of the items in the Start Here module, for week 1, you have a discussion question. On discussion questions, those are for everyone in the class to see. So you'll be able to see your classmates' responses. And on discussion questions, the expectation is that you're commenting on at least 2 classmates' posts. So for this first one, as we all get used to how discussions work, this is simply an introduction about yourself to the class. So you're just posting an introduction about who you are, and then you're commenting on at least 2 other students' posts. As we progress through the class, the discussion questions will be about topics about time management, about goal setting, etc. So don't forget that you're also, in addition to posting your initial post that you're commenting on two classmates' posts. And that's a requirement for full credit on discussion questions, okay? So you have that due October 24th. You have a student information questionnaire. Those answers just come to me. The only thing your classmates will see is that discussion question. The rest of them just come to me. So this is for me to get to know a little bit more about you and know any preferences you have, things along those lines, so I can better help you. You have a self-assessment assignment and then a Are You Ready assignment. So all of these are due by Sunday, October 24th. And that's what we'll have for this week. Next week, and I'm just looking ahead here for you guys, and I do want to point out that next Sunday happens to be October 31st, which is Halloween. So plan accordingly if you have Halloween plans for that evening. But you can see on here that you'll have, your next assignments. So we'll be getting into the chapter here. So I hope that this just gives you a preview, helps you understand how to navigate the course, gives you an overview of what is contained in this course. This semester for Strategies for Success, my goal is to have you take a self-reflection of where you're currently at. Look at all of your strengths, things that are working for you. Looking at some of those weaknesses, the areas that we need to improve on so that you will have the most successful semester, and hopefully we can get you on track with your GPA. I am always available for you to reach out to me if you have any questions about assignments. You can certainly email me, and I'm also more than happy to have, since this is an online class, just schedule a Zoom time with you for a meeting if that can be helpful for you. And my in-person office hours are posted in the syllabus. So let's have a great semester. I'm glad you're in this class, and I look forward to working with you.